Hey guys, welcome back to Shockproof Living. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about ceiling fans. If you're planning on installing one, choosing the right one for the size room that you have. You can put any fan you want. I'm just gonna give you some basic information that'll help you choose one for adequate size for the size room you have. Pretty much you wanna measure the room. You more or less want to get the square footage of the room you have, or like a 12 by 12 or 10 by 10. If you have a 12 by 12, you multiply 12 feet times 12 feet, it'll give you 144 square feet. If you got 144 square feet, you should be looking around like a 36 to a 42 inch fan, in that range. If you're up to, let's say, 75 square feet, I'd probably go with a 29 to 36 inch fan. Let's say 145 to 225 square feet, I'd probably do 44 or 50 inch fan. Something bigger, to 226 to 400 square feet, probably a 52 to 60 inch fan. Larger rooms, if you got something a lot bigger than that, then you might want to go with 2 ceiling fans. Pretty much, that's usually what what happens when you have a really big room. Ceiling height. If you typically want your fan to sit around 7 or 8 feet high, off the floor. So if your ceiling is 9 to 10 feet, you want to use a short down rod. You want to stay somewhere around 7 or 8 feet. So if your ceiling's 10 feet high, then you're gonna need a longer down rod, maybe like 2 feet or so. You just try to keep the fan, it's most efficient, if you keep the fan somewhere around 7 or 8 feet. You definitely want to make sure when installing a ceiling fan that you got the correct box. You definitely want to have a fan box, not just a regular light fixture box. A fan box, we usually have larger screws, like a 1024, I believe is the size. Not 100% sure on that, but it's a larger screw than your typical light fixture box. A light fixture box will use 832 screws, which are smaller. You definitely, if you don't have a fan box and you're planning to put a fan, you definitely would want to upgrade that box to a fan box and have the appropriate bracing on top. Pretty much that's it. I'm just trying to give you guys a little tip on choosing of a ceiling fan for your room. Let me know if this helps. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Anything you'd like to see or hear, let me know. As all, if you can, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.